Good morning class, myself Sunil Kumar, your maths teacher. Today I am explaining class 7th maths. Class 7th maths. It's a chapter 6 algebraic expression part 1st. So your first point is constant. What is a constant? A fixed numerical value is called a constant. That means 7, 8, minus 9, 10, 22 by 7. These all are the constant value because the value of 7 never be changed. The value of 7 is equal at everywhere. So this is called the constant term. Okay. What do you mean by variables? A symbol which takes several numerical values. Any symbol like alphabet A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. These all are the variables. And the value of X vary at everywhere. In the first equation, if the value of X equal to 2, in the second equation, maybe the value of X equal to minus 3. So, it can be varied. Several numerical values. That means many values of the numerical values of any algebraic expression as the variables, like 4x plus 5. This is the variable, and the value of in this equation may be minus 5 by 4. Value of x equal to minus 5 by 4. But in the next equation, 2x minus 4, so that x equal to 4 by 2, that means 2. So the value of x can vary in any algebraic expression. For example, here is the value of x in this equation is minus 5 by 4 and the value of x equal to 2. So that here the variables can be changed at everywhere. So this is called the variable. These x, y, z are known as the variables. Algebraic expression. The combination of variables and constant. The combination of variables and constant with the basic operation. Basic operation, that means plus, minus, into, division. These are called the basic operations. So algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variables in which they are connected with the basic operations plus, minus, into, division. For example, here we take 9x plus 4y minus 3. That is called the algebraic expression. Here is the numerical coefficient. This is the variable, or also known as literal term. This is also a variable and this is the constant. Here is the basic operation. This between x and 9 is into, and between 9x and 4y equal to plus. In the operations 4 and y is into. Here 4y and 3 is minus. So many basic operations should be used: plus, minus, division, into, in the combination of constant and variables. That is called the algebraic expression. You understand that? Okay. Now, algebraic term. What do you mean by algebraic term? The combination of constant and variables. After each term, plus or minus sign should be given, so that these terms are called the special. Yani that means one term, second term, third term. For example, here should be written as 9x square plus 5x minus 3. That is, this is the first term, and this term, and between this term the operation is plus. So this is the second term. And in the 5x and 3 is the operation, so that this is the third term. So after every operation of plus and minus, that term should be taken is called each term of the algebraic expressions. Okay, so this is first term, second term, and this is the third term. Now coefficient, a factor with the sign of a term, एक साइन के साथ अगर फैक्टर्स हो उसके फैक्टर्स, दैट मींस यहां हमने ले लिया 5x² y. If I will told you that what is the coefficient of y, if I will ask you a question, what is the coefficient of I, that means the coefficient, that means gunak, that means multiplier, that means factors, that means 5x square. 5x square is the coefficient of y. But if I will change the question and I ask to you that what is the coefficient of x square, what is the coefficient of x square, that means that is the 5y. Okay, and what is the coefficient of x square y? What should be multiplied with the x square y in this question? X square y, what should be multiplied? 5. So the coefficient is 5. Okay, it's depend on the question. What I will ask to you, what is the coefficient of y? That means 5x square. What is the coefficient of x square? That means 5y. What is the coefficient of x square y? That means 5. Okay, now numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient, that means the only numerical value should be multiplied with the variables, that is called the numerical coefficient. That means if we take here 9x cube, that means numerical coefficient is 9. That is only the number. That is called the numerical coefficient. That's the value is 9. So it's a 9 is the numerical coefficient of x cube. If we take here 14x square y square z, what is the numerical coefficient? That means 14. 14 is the only number here multiplied with x square y square z. That is the numerical value. That is the numerical coefficient. 14 is the numerical coefficient. Now, it's a literal coefficient. Literal coefficient, the factor in a term which is not a number but a small alphabet letter. It's not a number. It's an alphabet letter. That just like if I will told you that what is the coefficient of y, that means I will ask you if you question that what is the coefficient of 9x cube y? What is the coefficient of? What is the coefficient of? So here the literal coefficient of y. Y literal coefficient is x cube. If we ask you a question, what is the literal coefficient of x cube? That means x cube equal to y and y equal to x cube. So that's not use the numerical value, only the literal value, only the variables should be used in the any algebraic expression. Like term. In an algebraic expression, term having same literal factors are known as like terms. For example, here we take 2x square minus 3x square 5x square. That's the literal value. X square are same. So that these terms are called like term. And unlike term, if we write here 2x square y minus 3x 4x y, they have no equal literal value. X square y, that is the power x only, xy. All three are different. So they are unlike term. Now, types of algebraic expression. 4 types of algebraic expressions here are written. First is monomial, binomial second, trinomial third, and quadrinomial fourth. Monomial that means one term on the basis of term. It's on the basis of term. टर्म के आधार पर. मोनोमियल दैट मीन्स 9x क्यूब वन टर्म minus 3x4y 5 it's also one term because these two terms, between these two terms a comma should be given. That means this is the separate term and this is the separate term. So here minus 5x. These all are the one term algebraic expressions. So it is called the monomial. In the binomial there are two terms. That means 2x plus 5, 9x cube minus 3. It have two terms, one term and two term, one term and two terms. So it is called the binomial. In the trinomial, 2x square plus 5x minus 9. It's a three term, one term, two term, three term. So it's called trinomial. Quadrinomial, that means four term. 4x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy minus 9. One term, two term, three term, four term. It's a four term. So it's a quadrinomial. So now polynomials, an algebraic expression which have one or more terms with non-zero coefficient and non-negative integral power. That means 4x to the power 3 plus 3x square plus 5x minus 9. Here the coefficient is non-negative, non-zero coefficient. Non-zero, that means not multiplied with the 0. It's a multiplied with 4. It's a multiplied with 3. It's a multiplied with 5. Not multiplied with the 0. So it is a polynomial. The another thing is made in the variables. It's non-negative integral power. That means their power never be negative, never in the root, never in the by, matlab divided. For example, if 4 root under x plus 3 x plus 9 or 3x square, it is not a polynomial because it is the value here. So 3x square plus 4 x to the power 1 by 2 plus 9. So it's a non-negative integral power. It's a negative integral power, not a non-negative integral power. So it's not possible. If 4x to the power minus 2 or plus 5, it's not possible. So this type of algebraic expression should said to be polynomials. Type of polynomials, linear polynomial. It's on the basis of degree. Degree, that means 4x plus 5. It's a power 1. Power 1. It's the highest power of this polynomial is 1. So this is called the linear polynomial. In this polynomial 4x square plus 5x minus 9. Its power is highest power equal to 2. So it is called the quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Its power 4x cube plus 5x square minus 3x plus 9. Its highest power is 3. Highest power equal to 3. So this is called the cubic polynomial. In the biquadratic polynomial, its the highest power 3x to the power 4 plus 4x square plus 3x minus 9. Its the highest power is 4. So it's a biquadratic polynomial. Constant polynomial. Constant polynomial, that means no variables. For 7 minus 3 pi 22 by 7. These are the called the constant polynomials. Power 0. Zero polynomial is just a value 0. That is called a zero polynomial. Factor tree of the polynomial. So it's this term should be divided into 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 5. That means 6. 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. And x into x or into y. It's a factor tree. So in this form, 5 into 3 into x into y. So it should be written as like that. Here is 3 into 3 into y. So it's a 9 should be written here. Y square should be written here. So that in this way we can factor tree formed of the polynomial. Okay. If you have any problem in this exercise, you can must be contact to me or send the problems on my WhatsApp 99340 85637. Okay, thank you.